over here you can see that I have a storyboard project, and if I were to go around and press the play button right here, then it plays once and then it stops. But if you want to keep it repeating, then what you can do is you can use the loop option right here, and then what happens is that it keeps on repeating right here. So the you can see the cursor moves at the end right here, then it starts at the beginning right here, and you can use that by turning on the loop option right here, just like that. If you were to go around over here on to, let's say, for example, play, then you can see the loop option over here as well. And as you click on it, this option turns on. And then again, what happens is that you can play and then it loops back and forth, as you can see, just like that. So if I were to go around over here and turn off loop, then you can see it is unchecked. So you can go around and play over there as well, just like that. So that is how you can go around and then use the loop option inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro to actually play out the storyboard in a loop, as you can see, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.